Assalamu alaikum little buddies. Today's letter is R. R. Capital R and simple R. What is the sound of these letters? R. R letter, R sound. R. R letter, R sound. Okay. What is this? Wow, it's a rose. Rose. R. Rose. What is this? It's a river. Water here, can you see? It's a river. 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 What is this? Do you use this in the garden? To clean the garden? Yes, it's a rake. 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 What is this? It's a rabbit. Rabbit. What is this? Wow, it's a rainbow. 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 Yes? Thank you very much, children. Jazakallahu khair.